here's the next topic. The next thing
Okay.
is fruit. The question is not going to be today is fruit good or not? You and I both believe fruit is great and healthy, and it should be a major part of where we get our calories from. The question is, I grow most of my food and I grow most of my fruit. I'm in an environment where I'm able to do that. And as I do that and started doing that more, I see and realize how poor the quality of the fruit actually is from the supermarket, even the health food store. Thankfully, I have some friends that you can, if you're in the United States, you can get food from the farm mailed right to you, but most people aren't eating good quality fruit. So when you and I recommend people eat fruit and it's a great food, is the poor quality of fruit take away from what you and I suggest with the fruit? Because it's so poor in the more I eat fresh fruit, I realize how bad it is from the store.
This is a very complicated question. Okay, at least my answer is going to be complicated to it. Yes, the bottom line is fresh fruit is best. Um, I live in a place where I cannot get my bananas fresh. Um, we do have several dwarf bananas growing in our house. Right now, though, it this morning was 25 degrees outside. Bananas are not going to survive in that. Papayas are not going to survive in that. Uh, my wife is quite the gardener, and we are trying to do a regenerative food forest in our backyard. So we're into that idea about fresh. But I have a little bit of an issue. Uh, so many people cannot get the fresh fruit. You talk about food deserts. We go into big cities and into areas where primarily it's poor, uh, deprived people of all colors, and they can't even get fruit, period. Uh, so getting some fruit, better. There's a lot of talk about how our soils have been demineralized and have been uh, corrupted by chemical fertilizers and things. I always recommend organic, always. My wife and I eat an organic diet. Um, so that's a big part of what I'm really pushing for. But I I'm trained in nutrition classically, and I like to use the USDA database to analyze people's diet. And I see fruit is better than no fruit. Fruit is so much better than ultra processed foods, hands down. Now, the USDA database shows me that the nutrients in store-bought food is not demineralized. Okay, maybe 5-15% from what it was back in the 50s when they first started doing these things. And it's never as ripe as you can just picking it off the tree. But if we can just get fruit and vegetables in an organic state into people, It would change the world if everybody ate that way. It would change the health. It would change the disease care that happens. Um, Global burden of disease study, largest study done. More scientists are involved in this than any other study in the history of the world. One of the things that they talk about is what lifestyle things cut life short. The number one thing of lifestyle, above smoking, is diet. And what do they say is their number one reason for people living shorter lives? Is not getting enough fruit. Not getting enough vegetables? No. Not getting enough fruit. Period. So I'm convinced that if people could get more fruit, even if it's store-bought, they're doing good. Can they do better? Yes. If we were all growing in our backyards, in our front yards, at the community garden, fruits and veggies, and picking them ripe, we'd be so much better. But you know what? I am so thankful for farmers because they are trying to do the best for us. I'm going to tell you, the people who are doing industrial agriculture, and I'm talking about animal agriculture, caging animals, and they're not doing good. The companies, the industry that produces our fast food and our ultra processed foods, our junk foods, they don't care about our health. But organic farmers are super people. I don't really want to go out there and say, you have to grow your own if nothing else is good. These people are trying to feed the world, and they are super people. And that's where I want to go to. That's where I want to focus. Yes, the fresh fruit is great, picked off the tree, and it's the best. But compared to what everybody else is doing, I'm going to keep saying, get your produce any way you can, but get it organic.
But my question is we know if fruit is picked off the tree, it's enough. Is fruit, store-bought fruit, enough? Will people say, okay, well, fruit's great, but since you're not able to get the highest quality, you need to supplement because you're not living in your natural environment. So that's the question: is not the best fruit enough?
Not the best fruit is enough.
Okay.
I see it again and again and again. I test, I find out if people are deficient in things, and we take care of it.
Okay.
And so, yes, it is enough. Is it going to create super health? Maybe not. I'm trying to go for super health. But you know what? I want to see the people in the food deserts get some fruit, get some greens. That it would change our world.
Excellent. Excellent.
Nature's wealth, good for your